Hello friends, this is Francisco. I'm going to show you a house that I just bought, and I'm doing the walkthrough before the rehab crew comes through tomorrow. They're going to clean out the house and start working on the house so we can list it in January of next year. Come with me. This is the house. This is the front of the house. We're going to be doing some landscaping, removing some of the trees in the front so the house can be seen. In this house, we're going to be doing some repairs on the siding and painting the siding a different color, a little bit more of a lighter color. Let's go inside. So this house has a kitchen, a really nice kitchen. What we're gonna do with the kitchen is we're gonna renovate it by putting granite countertops, new sink, new fixtures. We're gonna be sanding the current cabinets because they're really good wood. And obviously we're gonna put new appliances. Over here in the living room, it has a really nice vaulted ceiling. We're going to be removing the popcorn throughout the house and painting the whole interior of the house. This house has a chimney, which is a really nice feature. This house has 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. This is the first bedroom here on the left. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This is the first of the 3 full bathrooms that the house has. And in this bathroom, we're going to be doing a walk-in shower. We're going to renovate the whole bathroom completely. New vanity, new toilet. This is the second bedroom. And then let's go take a look at the master bedroom. This bedroom's a master. It has a really nice feature here that has a small area within the bedroom. Not quite sure what we're going to do with this area, just leave it the way it is and then have the new homeowners decide what they want to do with that free area. This is the second bathroom. This one we're just going to renovate. We're going to leave the bathtub, which is in pretty good condition. And in any house, you want to make sure the house actually has at least 1 bathtub because the people that the more is likely going to move into this house are probably going to have little children, so little children like to take baths. This has a full walk-in closet, which is really nice. And then the master bedroom actually has its own deck. So you can actually go out to the deck here. We're gonna replace this door with a double door, and it's gonna look really nice once we're done with it. You can walk out here and show you how the deck looks. So the house has this deck, and it has 2 decks actually. It has a deck over there that has access to the living room. And so with this, we're gonna do some minor repairs and repaint the whole deck so it looks more modern. Right now, this house actually has a hidden gem. It has a basement which we're gonna finish, renovate, and if we do that, this house is gonna duplicate in square footage. Right now it's about 1,200 square feet. So if we do that, it's gonna get closer to 2,400 square feet. So the basement has a semi-finished game room, family room. And here we're gonna clean it out first of all. And then we're kind of debating whether we put a kitchen so that it can be a actual in-law suite, or whoever moves in, if they're investors, they want a house hack, they can actually rent the bottom portion and they can live in the top portion of the house. So this is the family room. We're gonna complete it and probably add a kitchen here. We're gonna remove the wood stove there because we're gonna condition this basement with HVAC and heating and air. All right, come with me. So this is the living room, the basement / family room. Over here, we have a nice storage closet, which we're gonna complete and make it to an actual closet. And then here you have a laundry room. We're gonna finish this, frame it, put sheetrock, make it look nice. And then here you have the 3rd full bathroom, which here we're gonna renovate this bathroom completely from top to bottom. We're probably gonna leave the bathtub and then do a tile walls around the bathtub. This basement has an additional very, very large room that we're gonna finish, and we're debating whether we keep that as a large master room in the basement or if we divide into 2 rooms. And we're gonna go on the outside so you guys can take a look of how the backside looks in the property. So this is the back portion of the basement. You can actually access the backyard. It's all fenced in. That's really nice for any children, any dogs that they can be let out and they won't run away. The backside of the house is really cool. It's a very nice feature of the house, in my opinion. It has a double deck, and just the yard is really nice. We're trying to grade it a little bit more so that's more functional. That's it. Stay tuned. When we finish the rehab, I'm gonna post another picture so you guys can compare before and after. This house is gonna look really nice, and we're gonna, again, the target is to put in the market January of 2025. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, on my way back from the Sanford property that we walked yesterday night. One thing that I forgot to mention in the video is, as you guys saw, the house has trash inside. The sellers left the sofa and several other things that is gonna have to be cleaned out and thrown away. Obviously, the rehab crew is going to be cleaning. The cost to clean out the amount of trash that was left behind is going to be close to $800. One way to mitigate that I would advise anybody that's handling an off-market deal is to talk about it, of course, with the sellers. Make it very clear who's going to be cleaning out the house, and then furthermore put it in the contract. So in this case, if it's the sellers, if they're the ones that have to clean out the property, you walk the property a day prior to closing, and if it's cleaned out to the way it was spelled out in the contract, then good, you can close on the property. If it's dirty, if it has trash, if it has a lot of stuff inside still that should not be in, then you postpone closing, right? So in that case, you have leverage on the sellers. You're not going to have leverage if you do it after closing. It's just a little tip from experience, so it can help you out in your negotiations and in your rehabs and flips.